Okay, so just a quick video on how to set up, how to run sales and add coupons to your shop, basically, which really is one of the strategies that you need to use in order to get more sales. It definitely helps without a shadow of a doubt. So this is my relatively new shop where I sell all my help guides on SEO and advertising. I'm called Isabel Marketing, and yeah, come along and buy one of these PDFs because they're quite useful. Okay, so you definitely want to set up these two. Etsy is guiding you to set up these two, but I also show you how to run a sale as well. Okay, so abandoned basket. So this is when someone has put something in their basket, but it's just sitting there and doing nothing. So you want to go to set up campaign. You want to decide how much you want to have your coupon at. So do you want it to be a percentage off, a particular amount off, or free standard delivery? I really wouldn't bother with free standard delivery because you really should be offering that anyway. And certainly if you're doing PDFs, you already are. Best one would be percent off and make it a reasonable percentage off. 10, 15% doesn't really make much difference to people anymore. So 20% at least to actually, have an impact on future buyers. And then I tend to put, so what's this? This is cart 20 off, I'm going to call it. Review and confirm, and it's applicable to the entire shop. Okay, I don't think you can change that, it has to be the whole shop. And then you launch your campaign. Okay, and then if you want to share this with your social media dudes, then you can share it on Twitter, Pinterest, or Facebook, or you can copy this link and send that to your your email subscribers. Okay, that's that done. Recently favorited, so set up the campaign. So now the tick is in recently favorited. Percentage off again, I'm going to do 20% off. And to remind me what it is, the code I tend to put, I know, fave 20 off. So I know for sure. And then review and confirm. And then launch campaign. Okay. Bear in mind that these percentages off don't work if you're running a sale on your whole shop. They'll only work if you're not running a sale, or they'll only work on the items that aren't in your sale. So that's quite important to remember. And finally, probably the most powerful, I would say, because I really don't get that many sales from this, and I don't get many sales from this, maybe once or twice every few months, if not less, I think maybe once every 6 months. So what you also want to do is this. So if you click on New Special Offer, if you go to Run Sale, and then you want to choose a percentage off that you're going to, and this is where you can choose certain items. So I'm going to choose 20% off. Where is this offer valid? You can set it for specific countries or you can set it for everywhere. I'm going to put everywhere. If you want them to buy 2 or more items, then you want to put quantity, and then you'd say, right, you have to buy 2 items in order to get this percentage off. But I'm not. I just want to run a sale. I just straightforwardly want to run a sale across the shop. You then want to set when you want to start your sale. So it's the 30th of April today, and I'm going to run it for as long as I possibly can. So it's where it's grey you can't, but when it's black you can. So I can go up to the 30th of May. I'm not putting any terms and conditions, but you can if there's restrictions on certain things, or any terms and conditions there, but I've never used that myself. And then finally, I'm going to call it, what's this, 20 off sale. Okay, then you continue, and then you can decide which listings you want to add it to. I'm going to add it to all my listings, okay? So I'm going to click on Etsy Guidance, and I'm also going to click on Help PDFs. So I am basically doing a sale for my entire shop. But in my other shop, sometimes I just, for example, run sales on necklaces, or another time I might run sales on bracelets, that kind of thing in my vintage jewellery shop. So that's it, and then you go to review and confirm, So 20% off, no minimum order, but that's quite a good one to bear in mind. So for someone who sells a lot of similar things, maybe you sell stretchy gemstone bracelets or something, you want people to buy more, you will still, when people tick sale when they're looking for something, then they will, you will show up. That's the duration of my sale, all 12 items, so you can start on fairly early days in this shop, and the name of it. And there's no terms or conditions, so I'm going to confirm and create a discount. Okay, you can then share that on social media. If I quickly just go into Etsy and just show you what I mean by, so yes, at the moment obviously there's tons of masks that are being sold. So if we go into that, sorry, click into it. Okay, let's do lockdown t-shirt. I like the idea of that actually. So go into that. Right, so, sorry, it's faffing about. Lockdown t-shirt, right. So let's just wait. So there's, nearly 1,200 results, but some people might click on this button here, on sale, and then your competition is much, much less. Check that out. So if you were selling a lockdown t-shirt, you might want to think about having it on sale because you've hugely reduced your competition now. Okay, so yeah, it's all good. Right, so hopefully that's helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also there's links below for where I can give you help with your listings, especially if you're a new shop, listing rewrites, and also an Etsy shop critique, and also some PDFs on Etsy SEO and Etsy advertising. So check it out. Okay, thanks a lot then. Bye.